When we moved to a new location, we didn't realize that the hard water mineral content was going to be the hardest water on the planet Earth. So when we watered our lawn and it splashed up against the windows, it left these water droplets that were so horribly hard to get off. We tried all the kinds of window cleaners, Windex, Sparkle, all the brands. So then we decided to try CLR because it's supposed to work on rust and hard water, and that's expensive. So we decided, well, let's try the vinegar way. So it's a lot cheaper. So we did half the window with the CLR spray and the magic sponge, and then we dried it off with the microfiber lint-free towel, and we did the other half with the vinegar and a little bit of water mixture. That I do think if I'm going to continue to use that, I would add some lemon juice to it just so it didn't smell so vinegary. Maybe some other essential oils maybe. But I did the same thing with the vinegar mixture on the other half of the window, and again with the magic sponge and the microfiber cloth to dry it off with, and it seemed to work pretty much the same. It didn't seem to have that much of a difference in the window. So vinegar, a lot more cheaper than the CLR. So my book, go with the vinegar, not the CLR. Save some money. My tip for the day.